Imagine waking up tomorrow to find your job gone. No warning, no second chance. That's what Bill Gates says is coming. In a recent interview, he warned only 3 kinds of work will survive the AI takeover. The rest, gone or handed over to machines. Today we will dive into this alarm bell from the world's richest man and what you need to do right now to stay in the game. First, let's see how fast AI exploded. In the 1950s, computers could only count. By the 1990s, computers beat chess masters. In 2010s, smartphones learned our faces. In 2023, ChatGPT talked almost like a human. Now in 2025, AI can write essay, draw art, even fix simple codes. What used to take a team of 10 now takes one AI prompt. Can you see why jobs are at risk? Which jobs will fade first? Data entry and simple reports. AI can read numbers and write pages in seconds. Customer support. Chatbots answer 80% of questions today. Routine design. AI makes logos, ads, even simple videos. Driving and delivery. Self-driving cars and drones are learning our roads. Basic writing, news summaries, sports recaps, weather reports. If your work follow a set path, AI will learn it faster and cheaper. And Bill Gates sees millions of roles disappearing in the next few years. So what can't AI replace? Bill Gates names 3 feats. Number 1, coding and AI development, building the very AI that threatens other jobs. Number 2, energy experts, managing power grids, oil rigs, solar farms under real-time chaos. Number 3, biologists and life scientists, discovering new medicines, understanding living cells. Bill Gates says these roles need deep creative leaps, hands-on problem solving, and pure human judgment areas where AI still fails. Let's break down each one in simple terms. Number 1, coders and AI builders. AI writes basic codes but can't plan big projects or handle weird errors. Human coders decide how to build, fix, and improve AI itself. Number 2, energy experts. Power needs change by the second. Storms, blackouts, fuel price spikes. Only humans can decide safety trade-offs in real time. Number 3, biologists. AI spots patterns in data but can't imagine a new drug or guess how life works. Biologists need gut feelings, years of lab tests, and ethics boards. In short, these jobs blend deep tech skill with gut instinct and moral choice. So how do you survive? Number 1, learn to code. Start with free online courses, Python, JavaScript. Build smart projects, AI chatbots, simple apps. Number 2, understand power system. Watch videos on how electricity flows. Get basic certificates in solar, wind, or grid tech. Number 3, dive into biology. Take online courses in genetic, microbiology, volunteer in a lab or biotech startup. No time to wait. The AI wave is here. Pick one path, commit 6 months of study, and you will stand out. There's one thing AI can't steal, the human hurt. Number 1, empathy. AI can truly feel when you are down. Number 2, trust. We follow human leaders, not always bots. Number 3, creativity. Movies, music, novels still need raw emotion. Even in coding, energy, or biology, you will work with people, patients, clients, teammates. Those connections matter more than ever. In 2030, half of white-collar offices sit empty. AI run factories 24/7. Free AI-powered tutors teach millions online. Government debate universal basic income, money for everyone just to stay afloat. Will work become a luxury, or will new unforeseeable jobs rise like AI ethicist, digital farmer, memory creator? The truth, we can't predict it all. But one thing's sure, we must stay ready to learn. Bill Gates warns us, most jobs will vanish. Only 3 fields look safe. Now it's up to you. Will you sit back or step up? Comment below which career path will you choose. Hit like if you are ready to learn new skills. Share this video with anyone who needs this wake-up call before it's too late. And don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening stories about our fast-changing world.